Hi my viewer, I am making two dishes, the plantain, because you guys gonna be like, okay, how come she's wearing the same clothes, same style? Yes, I am making two dishes today that I wanted to show you guys. It's very easy. I already have my water boiling here. As you guys can know, when you see water boiling, you got an idea. Spaghetti time. I am making just an easy recipe for spaghetti. You know, I don't feel like cooking today, so today it's Saturday. You know, this is how I usually do. I grab a spaghetti pack, put it there, you know, to, how do you say, break it? Well, I have to do it this way. Voila. Before I do that, put some salt. Doesn't really matter. Doesn't matter the amount. So that's how I usually cut my spaghetti. You know, voila. Pour it in there. Grab another pack. I just use my judgment. I think it's in the middle, so it doesn't really matter. Spaghetti. So we're gonna boil the spaghetti until it's soft. This is what I use to just push it inside the water, and just a dash of any oil, olive oil or any oil will do. The whole idea about it, 2 tablespoons, is to give it the, you know, that nice look, that it doesn't stick to each other. You know, it will cook itself like one by one, but make sure when you flip you're mixing it inside the water that it doesn't, you know, pile up like on one side, or else when it's boiling, that's when you see the spaghetti sticking to, you know, to each other, like, you know, it becomes just a nonsense. So make sure you know, move it as much as you can, and the oil that you put inside the water, it will help you. So sometimes you could cover up. If you know you're busy, leave it open, but because I am here, we're gonna put a lid on and let it simmer until it's soft. Not soft dente, not dente or either. It's like between the two, you know, that when you, I usually test with, you take one, try to bite it or chew on it. When you feel like it's soft, then turn it off, put it in your sink, turn some cold water, because when you put it in your sink or in the strainer, because it's hard, it's hot, it usually like cook itself while it's in the strainer or whatever. So it's best to put it in a cold water. It cuts the process of cooking and make it more beautiful. So we'll be right back. So this is bacon. We're frying the bacon until it's brown. Then when it's brown, we can add the garlic. That's like about 3 to 4 cloves, I don't remember anymore. And that's like a 1 big onion. So it's just for the spaghetti. Doesn't matter how you chop it up, if it's fine or whatever you like. You know, it's your food. Use your own judgment. So while this is singing some music song, I already finished my spaghetti, and I was pouring some water, and everything got dumped in my sink. Thank God my sink was clean, so I'm scooping it up. It's your food. If your hands are clean, go ahead and, you know, scoop it with your hand. It's much easier, you know. Stay with cold water to stop the process of cooking. So this is how your spaghetti has to look like. Singles, you know, all the single ladies. Okay guys, we're gonna show pretty much it's done. You know, when you do the fry the bacon, take it out in the bacon fat, put some garlic, onion, let it cook, and when it's soft, put a 4 ounce of the cream cheese. It depends on you. It's your food. I can tell you what to do. So if you like more cream cheese, honey, go for it. But as far as for me, 4 ounces of the cream cheese, and because I made 2 packs of spaghetti, so I went for the